Well, I'm at the Stickney Autojumble there. There's a Dodge Ram going up there. Not seeing any classics yet, but I'm going to have a good walk around there, just see what's going on. So this could be the end of the video, this could be something else, let's see. Wow, we do have a classics section. Yeah, first thing I spot this big old Chrysler. Now that is nice. I've not seen this about anywhere, so I'm glad I came today already. There's a few more classics along there as well. I'm going to take a look around, but yeah, I like this late 60s early 70s Chryslers. I think she's got such a nice styling to them. It's the reason why they called them land yachts. Okay, there's another Chrysler along there. Very, very nice. 50s is about my starting point. Basically 50s, 60s, 70s. That's kind of my favourite era for cars. But trucks, kind of 50s up until the 90s really. PT Cruiser, that's an unusual one. I don't know, I kind of like it, it's funky. Got a nice vintage feel to it. Nice old Rover there. Sept. This is one of those cars. Many years ago, I used to work for local electricians and did some work on one of these. I love the styling on these, but oh my god, electrical systems are an absolute nightmare. Of course, another Rover. This is a V8. This has a bit of a. These Rovers have a bit of sentimental attachment to me because this is technically, 3.5 litre. Yeah, this is technically the very first car I ever drove. I was about 4.5, sitting on my mother's lap, steering it. Very nice. In fact, the one that my mother had, it had been a little cop car. It belonged to the CID, and she bought it at a police auction. Because I think I've mentioned this before. My mother was like the car nut in the family. My dad didn't really care one way or another. He was like, oh, it's got 4 doors, keeps you warm, keeps you cool in the summer, and gets you from A to B. That was enough for my dad. But my mum was the car junkie. And of course, Series 3. No, it's a Series 2, this isn't it? Series 2. Yeah, I must admit I would have another one of these. What I would like to do though, I know some people will balk at the idea, but I'd like to put the X308 supercharged V8 in one. I had a Daimler 66 for a long time, and I did basically a ground up restoration on it, similar to what I did with the camper van, and Had everything complete except the only thing left to do was the interior needed to be retrimmed, and the car was rear-ended and totaled. So that was the last time I ever went to that degree, because I actually went to I wanted a piano finish black on it, and I spent months working on that paint to get it perfect, and I had it on the road less than a week when it was totaled. So yeah, but I do like these. I like these a lot. Really, really comfortable. Just a big old British bruiser. But yeah, the V12s, I do like the V12s, but this generation, Series 2, Series 3, oh god, the fuel injection system's just a nightmare. Great when they work, but when they start to have issues, because mine ended up with Bosch injectors, and ECU was from a Australian company, Haldex, and it really transformed the car. But yeah, looks like it's for the plastic. Oh, here, I spotted a few more. Let's have a walk over there. There we go. A little bit out of my time period, but still some nice classics here. Most minor pickup. Right. Wait a minute, it's not Australian, is it? VXR. Ha! Nice one. It's a good turnout in Boris Miners here today. I'm seeing F-150 along there as well. Escort van. Yeah, I must admit, I still like my American trucks, obviously. Well, that's not a bad turnout. There's some interesting stuff here. A lot of stuff I haven't seen before. Oh, some Land Rovers over there as well. Let's have a look at those before we start heading into the swap meet. Yeah, very nice. Anyway, that's it. That's it for now. If there's anything else interesting comes in, I'll have another walk around. I'll pull the camera out. But if not, that's it for this video. So yeah, like, subscribe, take care, and have a good one. Okay, so there's a little addition there. Just wandering around here, and there's a nice old Mark 1 Transit there, dually. Very, very nice. That's in good condition, that. Anyway, moving on. Well, it's raining, so I'm getting ready to head off, but just walked past the classic section again, and yeah, it's a nice little hot rod there. I just looking at the Transit Escort. I remember these. A lot of people had these. A friend of mine's still got one. He's got an XR3 engine in it. Anyway, that's what I was looking at. We have a V8, a small block Ford, looks like it. Ah, nice, I like it. Of course, I think we've seen this one before. This one gets over to Newark sometimes. But yeah, anyway. That's it for me for the day. It's raining, I'm wet. didn't find anything I was looking for, so gonna head back to the Mini, and yeah, we will catch you again. Take care, have a good one.